GoHighLevel pros and cons. Is it worth the price? Now, if you want to get started on GoHighLevel for free, you can click on the link provided in the description box down below. This will give you an exclusive 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel. Now, let's jump right in. So let's go into our dashboard and let's first give a brief outlook on the pros. First off, it is a true all-in-one sales, marketing, and CRM platform. Secondly, most of its features are unlimited. It's very affordable. It has advanced automation capabilities. You can create multi-channel workflows as well as create multi-channel campaigns. There is unlimited potential for revenue when you are reselling their platform. They have automated AI-powered booking bots. You have snapshots that allow you to create pre-built sub-accounts. You always have new features and improvements that are being done to the platform. Now, what are some of the cons of GoHighLevel? First off, the platform definitely does have a large learning curve. It's not like you can open up GoHighLevel on one day and you're just going to be able to master all of its tools. It does take some time for you to get used to all of the tools and for you to completely be able to use all of the tools to their complete effectiveness. Secondly, the training material oftentimes on GoHighLevel, if you take a look at some of, their help material, sometimes you can feel like there are new improvements in the tool, but the training material is built upon the older versions of GoHighLevel. So when you go into, some of the SaaS education or university, you might feel like, oh, my GoHighLevel dashboards look different now. This has been updated for me, but the SaaS education is not as updated. Secondly, there are templates available on GoHighLevel. If you take a look at any of your sub accounts or any of your basic templates, so if I go into my agency view, go into the template library, some of the templates you might feel like are a bit outdated. They don't look as new as some of the more recent launches by other platforms. Then when it comes to customer service, it's all right, but it might not be the best customer service. It's not 24/7 customer support as you would expect, but it still does suffice. So let's jump right in and take a look at the dashboard and let's just discuss this in a bit more detail. Now, many platforms do boast that they are all-in-one, but a few of them only live up to the claim. And GoHighLevel is one that does live up to the claim. Whether your priority is sales, marketing, or CRM, you will find features and tools, everything that you would need for each one of those things on their platform. This is a clear advantage that you're not going to have to pay multiple different platforms fees. Instead, you can just use this all-in-one tool. Secondly, most of their features are unlimited. With this respect, you pay one price and you pretty much have all features that are unlimited. So you don't have to worry about whether you're prospecting clients and the number of prospects you can add are limited. No, those types of limitations are really rare on GoHighLevel. You're usually going to find that you have a really large quantity of executions of commands you can run, automations you can run. After a certain limit, there are limitations, but then you can choose to upgrade to an enterprise version or to a premium version of GoHighLevel. Secondly, it's very affordable. If we talk about the pricing of GoHighLevel, you can go into settings and you can go into billing over here, and you will see you will have multiple different types of subscriptions. First off, you have the starter subscription that only costs $97 per month, which includes all your tools to capture leads, nurture and close leads, with full online booking pipelines, social calendars, website builders, and more. You can even set up to 3 sub-accounts on their starter plan. Then on their unlimited plan, which we are on currently, this is only $297 per month. This has everything in the agency starter tools. It also has API access where you can integrate this particular all-in-one tool with any other tool. You have unlimited sub-accounts, so you can add as many client accounts as you might need. This is only for one price. So you guys can see this is an example of a client account. Client accounts include conversations, connections with social platforms, calendars, contacts, opportunities, sales, marketing, pipelines, and any other pipeline, as well as invoicing, orders, product, inventory management. contracts and documents, and much more. They even include marketing tools, emails, snippets, countdown timers, affiliate managers, and more. You even can proceed with building your own site. You can build your own membership, media storage, and start building a reputation for each one of your clients. Now, all of this is only for one sub account, and on the unlimited plan on GoHighLevel, you're able to add as many sub accounts as you want. You also have the ability to add unlimited contacts and users. So no matter how many employees you have, you don't have to pay separately for each employee. You're paying a all-in-one price, and you're able to add as many employees into your own agency as you might have. And you even have a branded desktop application where you can set up custom domains and have complete control over the appearance and feel of the GoHighLevel platform. These are all things that you're going to pay a really large premium if you were doing this on any other platform. Both plans provide unlimited features in terms of CRM, sales, and marketing, and I would say that if you were paying separate subscription fees on multiple different platforms to be able to integrate applications, create client setups, be able to set up your individual clients, and then have your own emailing tool, have your own web building tool, in the long run, you're paying a lot more for those separate tools. Instead, having one subscription that lets you do all of this is going to be much easier. Now, next up, we also have advanced automation capabilities, and it does this with their sophisticated automation abilities. They have a workflow feature which can help you in designing entire campaigns and communication strategies, which can run completely on autopilot. You also can create multi-channel workflows. So if I am building a pipeline, I can choose the specific account it is related to, go into my opportunities, go into pipelines, and build my own pipeline. In the same way, you can create workflows, campaigns, tasks, and whether you are using email, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, phone messaging, or voicemail drops, you can incorporate as many of these as you want simply by going into your agency view. And once you go into your agency view, you can go into the app marketplace and integrate any application that you want. And you can also sell GoHighLevel as a SaaS, which allows you unlimited potential for revenue. So if you are a software developer, if you are someone that is looking to sell a platform, then you can sell and you can purchase and use GoHighLevel and sell it to your customers as well. And the difference is that you are free to fully brand the platform. You can set your own prices and sell it as your own product. And the icing on the cake is that you can sell this as many times as you want. You can set your own branding to GoHighLevel. So you can go into their reselling section and you will see multiple different plans and multiple different ways that you recommend, that is recommended by GoHighLevel, in which you can sell this as a white label software tool. So you can resell their WhatsApp, resell WordPress tools, you can resell their workflow premium executions, so on and so forth. You will see the GoHighLevel price and you can set your own price as you go. Then you also have snapshots and campaigns that can help you in making and setting up different sub accounts really easy. Snapshots are essentially pre-built accounts for specific industries. Let's say we have accounting, construction, medical. Instead of having to set everything up, I can go into account snapshots, click on create new snapshot, name it, and then choose the sub account it is related to, and I will have a complete pre-built account for that particular industry. And they always have new features coming in. Now, that is all about the pros of GoHighLevel. What about the cons? Well, if you're someone that is not familiar with these types of tools where they have all these different capabilities linked into one, you might feel a bit lost because the abundance of tools and features is never going to be fast, or it's never going to be easy to learn all at once. While the platform itself is really user-friendly, when you log in and try to work as soon as you have purchased a subscription, you might have a learning curve that you're going to go through. So if you plan on using GoHighLevel, you do need a couple of days to get accustomed to all of the different features and to be able to access all features correctly. Then sometimes if you're looking at their knowledge base, if you go into GoHighLevel and look at their SaaS education, all of their knowledge base articles, some information can be a bit basic. It is a wonderful platform with constant updates, but their knowledge base and their support portals are often not up to date with the current versions that they are running. So this has to be my biggest bugbear with GoHighLevel, and their templates are a bit iffy. I would say that their templates are just things where you do have a bit of variety, but it all feels like it was built a few years back, a couple of years back. It just never feels like, oh, Christmas is coming up or any event is coming up and the themes and templates are available for that particular event. So that is a bit of an issue that I do have with GoHighLevel in terms of creativity of templates. That is something you're not going to find. And GoHighLevel's customer service can sometimes be a hit or a miss. So in general, I would say that GoHighLevel is a great platform and its pros far outweigh its cons. I would definitely say it's one of the best platforms out there when you're looking for an all-in-one CRM, sales, and marketing platform, and can be available at an affordable price with unlimited features. So if you're looking to get started with GoHighLevel, make sure to click on the link down below to get a 30-day free trial with our exclusive link. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, you can leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.